me again. I'm back. Nice to see you all. Thank you for joining me. I know it's been a while. I'm really sorry it's been so long. William can't be with us today because he's gone on holiday. So I'm just back for a little while, just do a quick video on how he's progressing. To be honest, he hasn't done that much really because he's been on his own projects doing other stuff. I haven't been able to do the filming because I've got a lot of projects on of my own. So at the minute, I'm just going to show you around at what is happening, what he's doing. So as you can see, the 4 dormers at the front, all the cladding at the sides have come off. William's starting again, putting new wood cladding on. That'll fit in with the wood scheme that he's got, like that's on his door here. He's done a lot of groundwork. He's had a lot of tractors in and trailers in, moving all the soil. So what his plans are was to go down the side. So as you come to the house, to the left-hand side, all that's been scraped back now, right to the end of his land. And then I think eventually what he's going to do is put an extension on there as well. And that extension is where his bedroom is going to be. So I think he's going to make a bigger bedroom that side. I think so. All round the back, as you can see, that's been graded back, made to look better, nicer. And he's dug out for his fish pond. It's huge. I said it needs to be a swimming pool. It would look really nice as an indoor swimming pool, wouldn't it? But you know what it's like for his babies with his fish. He loves his fish. So that's coming on really nicely. And I think what he's going to do is just build it up to a certain height as well. It's going to be depth, but he's going to have the height to it as well. So it's not going to be like flat to the floor, which will be really good. Yeah, so all that's been going on. Lots of degrading back with the things. The electrics are being put in. Upstairs there is the garage. Can't think of my words. So what is the garage? On top of there is the veranda. On top of the veranda, they've been putting a wall round so far. Only so far they're going to put it. And then the jacuzzi can go on the top of there. Jacob's put the electrics in, ready for that to go on, so the jacuzzi can be fitted in. They're going to do the rendering at the minute. Jacob's filling all the holes in, ready for the guy to come to do the render. So that'll look all nice and finished. Next project. See, there's not a lot that much really that you've missed at the minute because William's been busy and it's been winter as well, and not a lot's happened since winter. And you know, the money doesn't go for everywhere either, does it? So he's been working hard. Next plan is to work out how much plasterboard he needs. The plasterboard and the electrics will be the next big project in here, upstairs, downstairs, and then divide the rooms off as they need to be done. So what he's doing at the moment, as you can see, is taking all the cladding off of the dormers. That's there. There's 3 more to do. And putting the new cladding on. Looks beautiful. So yeah, William's doing that himself. With all the cladding on. And you can see the shutters. You see the shutter just on the window coming down. So that's 4 of them to do there. It's going to look really nice when it's done, so it's in keeping with the door as well. There's lots of cherries on the trees. This is one that he didn't really want to cut down, can you remember? It's growing a bit haywire. But yeah, lots of cherries. Look at them cherries, and black ones as well. Beautiful. So that's where we're at the minute. Can't really show you anything else because he's not done anything else. As you can see, it's just like it was inside before. He's trying to get all the outdoor jobs done before winter comes again. Get the rendering done, rendering upstairs, the garage rendered, the pond sorted out, and all the other jobs that need doing. So anyway, hope you've enjoyed today's visit, and hopefully we'll see you when we've got more progress. Thank you for watching, and goodbye from me and William. See you later. Ciao, ciao.